Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a pretty common problem that can happen with microwaves, the mica plate burning through. Now, if you're not familiar with the mica plate, it's that thin, rectangular piece of material that's located on the side of the microwave cavity. It's there to protect the magnetron, which is the part of the microwave that generates the waves that cook your food. When the mica plate burns through, it can cause a few different problems. First, it can allow sparks to escape from the magnetron, which can damage other parts of the microwave. Second, it can allow grease and food particles to get into the magnetron, which can also cause damage. And finally, it can make the microwave less efficient, which means your food won't cook as evenly. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify a burnt-out mica plate, how to replace it, and how to prevent it from happening in the future. I'll also give you some tips on how to clean your microwave to help keep the mica plate in good condition. So, if you've ever had a problem with your microwave's mica plate burning through, or if you just want to learn more about it, then be sure to watch this video. What is a mica plate? A mica plate is a thin, rectangular sheet made of mica, a naturally occurring mineral with excellent heat-resistant and electrical insulating properties. In a microwave oven, the mica plate plays a crucial role in protecting the magnetron, the heart of the oven that generates microwaves. Why did the mica plate burn through? Several factors can contribute to a burned-through mica plate: food splatters and grease buildup. Over time, food splatters and grease can accumulate on the mica plate, creating a flammable layer. When exposed to the high temperatures generated by the magnetron, this layer can ignite and damage the plate. Improper use of the microwave, using the microwave on high power for extended periods or heating non-microwave safe materials can generate excessive heat, leading to the burning of the mica plate. Defective magnetron. In rare cases, a malfunctioning magnetron can produce excessive heat, causing the mica plate to burn. How to replace the mica plate? Replacing a burned-through mica plate is a relatively simple process that can be done at home. Here's a step-by-step guide. Unplug the microwave oven and wait for it to cool down completely. Locate the mica plate. It is usually found on the side wall of the microwave cavity, near the magnetron. Remove the screws or clips holding the mica plate in place. Carefully remove the old mica plate. Be cautious not to touch the magnetron or any other electrical components. Clean the area where the mica plate was located. Remove any food debris or grease buildup. Install the new mica plate. Make sure it is properly aligned and secured. Replace the screws or clips. Plug in the microwave oven and test it. Tips for preventing future damage: clean the mica plate regularly. Wipe it down with a damp cloth after each use to remove food splatters and grease. Avoid using the microwave on high power for extended periods. Do not heat non-microwave safe materials in the microwave. Inspect the mica plate periodically for signs of wear or damage. Conclusion: a burned-through mica plate is a common problem in microwave ovens. By understanding the causes and following the steps outlined above, you can easily replace the plate and prevent future damage to your microwave. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult a qualified technician if you have any doubts or concerns. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a common problem with microwaves: a burned-through mica plate. Now, before we dive in, I want to make one thing clear: if your mica plate is actually burned through, you need to replace it immediately. A damaged mica plate can cause sparks and even fires, so it's not something to mess around with. But what if your mica plate is still in good condition, but you're just worried about it burning through? Well, there are a few things you can do to help prevent that from happening. First, make sure that your microwave is clean. Food splatters and grease can build up on the mica plate and make it more likely to burn. So, give your microwave a good cleaning every few weeks, especially around the mica plate. Second, avoid using high power settings for extended periods of time. The higher the power setting, the hotter the mica plate will get, and the more likely it is to burn. So, if you're heating something up for a long time, use a lower power setting. Finally, if you're really concerned about your mica plate burning through, you can always replace it with a new one. Mica plates are relatively inexpensive and easy to replace. You can find them at most hardware stores or online. Now, let's talk about a special type of mica plate called a corned plate. A corned plate is a mica plate that has been treated with a special coating that makes it more resistant to burning. Corned plates are a good option if you use your microwave a lot or if you tend to use high power settings. However, corned plates are also more expensive than regular mica plates. So, if you're on a budget, you may want to stick with a regular mica plate and just be careful about how you use your microwave. No matter what type of mica plate you choose, make sure to inspect it regularly for any signs of damage. If you see any cracks or holes, replace it immediately. And that's it for today's video. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.